Welcome
to our Sicily Cooking Vacation.
I'm Rosemary.
And I'm Claire.
And we are the co-founders of Authentic Food Quest. We created these immersive cooking vacations to help people connect to the local culture through food, as well as unforgettable culinary and cultural activities.
Sicily offers such a rich blend of cultures, flavors, and traditions, and we are so excited to share it with you.
Over 8 days and 7 nights, you will dive into the heart of Sicilian culture, staying at a family-owned B&B that feels just like home.
You'll cook alongside Chef Michael, one of the top chefs in Sicily, and learn to make Sicilian traditional dishes such as caponata, arancine, and much more. And you also get the recipes so you can recreate them back home and impress your friends and family.
In addition to cooking, we will visit the local markets where we'll pick up our fresh ingredients for our cooking classes. We'll also enjoy other culinary activities. We will enjoy a Palermo food and walking tour. We will also visit the salt pans and discover Sicilian salt on a fantastic salt tasting experience. We'll visit an olive oil producer and learn about Sicilian olive oil, as well as a local cheese baker where we'll enjoy the preparation of fresh ricotta cheese. Sicily has a wide variety of wines, and we'll taste them and sample them with passionate winemakers.
Palermo is a city rich in culture. We'll learn about its many layers on cultural excursions that reveals all sides of the cities, from iconic monuments to most famous mafia connections. You'll get to know Palermo for its complexity, resilience, and vibrant local life.
Also built into the itinerary is a relaxing boat trip where we'll see the city from the water. And of course, we'll come together around the table over shared meals, unforgettable stories, and a wonderful time together.
This immersive cooking vacation in Sicily is not only about cooking.
It's about connection, it's about culture, and experiencing the Sicilian way of life. If this sounds like your kind of adventure,
we'd love to have you cook with us in Sicily.
So join us at authenticfoodquest.com
or click the link below this video
and we'll see you in Sicily.